Hi Connie, this video I made only for you, so I will teach you step by step how to translate Indonesian language into English. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, just let's say I have this word, so you have to do is copy like this, and then you go to your browser right here and go to the Chrome. And then what you have to do is go to translate.google.com. Okay, just press enter. Very easy, and you detect language just like this. You set this one to English, and this is you just paste. See, you just paste, and automatically it will translate into English. Okay, in Indonesian language, if you want to know how to read this, maybe you can press this button.
Kesuksesan finansial.
See, I repeat again, if you want to know how to read this word, just press this one.
Masih ingat tentang segitiga landasan kesuksesan finansial?
And this is a translation. Even the translation, you can press this button and you know how to pronounce that.
Remember about the triangle of financial success?
Okay, it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. Or if you want, you can type this. Let's say selamat. See, you can type and the translation is automatically on the right side. You can press this one, and then you see selamat pagi in Indonesian language means good morning in English. Very easy, right? Now you can communicate with them. Okay? Thank you, Connie. I hope you can understand that.